Hi guys, so I bought preload adjusters for my motorcycle. That's for the Yamaha, not for the Suzuki. They cost about $25 from AliExpress, and from what I saw on the reviews, they're pretty good. And today we're going to install them and test them. The only thing that I have to modify is to add a bit of thread walker to the thread here. I don't know if you can see, if the phone can focus. And yeah, let's get to it. There is an O-ring here. Some people prefer to change it for a tighter sealing one, but you can also put a thread walker, a bit of thread walker, by removing this pin, and this will help it stay in one place. So don't put too much, just enough so that you can change the settings. Now let's apply some thread walker, if I can get any out. Here. Now I'm applying thread walker. Don't add too much. I think this is enough so that it doesn't loosen, but it could be loosened with the tool, and put it back in. Now we just have to loosen those two bolts to take the cap off and add the new one. Here's the new Preload adjuster cup with the spacer. So this new spacer is a bit too long, and I would only be able to add Preload, and I don't know if this is going to be okay, but I'll cut it if I have to. And here is the final result. I installed the caps. As you can see, I added some new Gaiters, the dust cover boots, and I think that it looks pretty nice for an old bike. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links to the parts in the description below. Bye.